I'm gonna report you. You don't walk. You don't walk that close to my car, man.
What happened?
You walk between my car and my garage.
Can I ask you something?
What?
Why do you park that close?
Because it's my property. I can park anything I want. It's mine.
Okay. But I'm
Okay.
trying to get through as
But
fast
no,
as
no,
I
no,
can.
no, 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 no. That's not excuse.
I'm
You,
just
you,
saying.
you. No,
I understand what you're saying. I understand. I saw an opening and I took it. That was my
no.
mistake.
Yeah, that's your
hear me
mistake.
out. Just hear me out.
That's a brand new SUV.
Okay, so
All right.
if you don't want me to scratch it, I understand. I understand that. I get
Okay.
it. But I'm trying to get through my job as
I
quickly as
don't care.
possible.
You got paper hours.
That's not my point.
No, my point is you are not allowed to walk on that tiny space that you know that you got bag and you know that there's a car.
So you want me to go around where there's
Well,
a
what's
dog
wrong?
that's trying to
No,
jump
no,
on
no.
girls?
Oh, no, 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 no. Don't mention about my dog. I got my dog.
I understand you
I
trying to
got my
report me. I
dog.
got stuff to
I
do.
got my dog. So I'm gonna report you. I'm gonna put you on a neighborhood, man. Yeah.